بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. الحمدللہ ہمارے ساتھ آج برطانیہ کے نامور اسکالر عالم دین امام عادل صاحب ہیں. امیر مجاہدین خادم حسین رضوی الحمدللہ تعالیٰ کے بھی بہت زیادہ ماننے والے اور ان کے الحمدللہ عاشق ہیں.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable and respectable elders, brothers and sisters, lovable youngsters, wherever this video will reach to each and every one of you, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Taking this opportunity first and foremost to express my gratitude to Muhtaram Asif Sahab or Raja Ishaq Sahab. Tabarak wa ta'ala accept our hazreen is bargah. And on this occasion I've been requested to also give this message to those in Mulk Pakistan, those outside of Mulk Pakistan, that in the upcoming election it's extremely important that you give your vote to Tariq Labbaik Ya Rasulullah. Subhanallah. Tariq Labbaik Ya Rasulullah. Tariq Labbaik Pakistan. And TLP. हमारे कायदे मुहतरम हाफिज साद रिजवी हाफिज़हुल्लाह ताला, we make dua that Allah tabarak wa ta'ala grant them kamyabi and grant them success in the upcoming election. It is extremely important that you don't waste your vote, that you give your vote to Tariq Labbaik Pakistan and that you put this vote to good use so that once again we can see that Nizam Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam will become nafiz in Mulk Pakistan. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala grant each and every one of you the opportunity to place your vote in the right place and once again allow the deen of Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam to come onto the takht, onto the throne. Allah tabarak wa ta'ala grant Mulk Pakistan hifazat from all external and internal enemies of the mulk and of Deen Islam as well. And Allah tabarak wa ta'ala grant our Amir Kafila or Amir Tariq Labbaik Pakistan, Hazrat Allama Hafiz Saad Rizvi Hafizahullah ta'ala kamyabi, and all of the individuals who are standing for the election, Allah Almighty grant them kamyabi as well. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh.
Tajdar khatm nubuwwat
Zindabad, zindabad.
Tajdar khatm nubuwwat
Zindabad,
Zindabad.
labbaik, labbaik ya Rasulullah, labbaik, labbaik, labbaik ya Rasulullah, labbaik, labbaik, labbaik ya Rasulullah.